Namaste, my dear friends. In this ever moving world, you may wonder, how can one truly achieve anything? It is a question I have been asked many times, and today I wish to share a simple truth. The secret is not found in striving or racing. Instead, it begins within you. Sit with me for a while and let us journey together. Years ago, as a young boy, I believed that success was in the hands of fate. But my teacher once told me, your fate is shaped by the quality of your focus. This truth has remained with me. So, let me share 3 lessons, 3 simple steps to help you achieve anything you desire in life. The first step, my friends, is clarity. Many set out to conquer the world, but do not know what they truly seek. Close your eyes for a moment. Pause for a beat. Ask yourself, what do I really want? Not what others expect of you, not what society tells you. What is it that lights a fire in your soul? You see, without clarity, even the strongest wind cannot move a ship without a destination. Write your dreams down, make them real in your heart. When you are clear, your mind stops wandering and the path begins to reveal itself. The second step is discipline. I once carried this basket of stones up a mountain every day for my teacher. I was angry, confused. Why must I suffer? But one day I reached the top and he said, look at your hands. They were no longer soft, they were strong. Discipline is not punishment, it is the fire that sharpens your blade. Set small actions you can take every day, like tending to a garden. Water it patiently even when the rains do not come. Over time you will see the seed of your effort blossom into mighty trees. And the third step is faith. Not faith in a higher power alone, but faith in yourself. When doubt creeps in, remind yourself, you're enough. I remember a day I wanted to give up my studies. My teacher whispered, even the sun cannot warm the world in one day, but it shines anyway. Trust the process. Trust that every small step you take, no matter how insignificant it may feel, is building the foundation of something greater. Clarity, discipline, and faith. These are not secrets, my friends. They are reminders of what you already know within. Whatever you dream of, whether it is success, happiness, or peace, remember, it all begins with you. The journey is yours, but I will leave you with this thought. Do not chase the destination so fiercely that you forget to enjoy the walk. May your path be illuminated with wisdom and may your heart remain steadfast. If this message has touched you, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and do not forget to come back. We have more stories to share under this tree. Until next time, namaste.